I need new money, new cars, new clothes. Everybody know, man, I gotta get those. New money, new cars, new clothes. Everybody know, man, I gotta get those. I need new shoes, new cars, new clothes. Everybody know, man, I gotta get those. New money, new cars, new clothes. Everybody know that's what I need. I need a new car, maybe get a new Benz. Everybody know, man, I keep jumping fence. Man, I need a new television to match my vision. Everybody know Young Diamond on a mission. I need a new song to listen to. Which artist now you know have a hit song? Hey, let me tell you what's a hit song. I need a new song, yo. Tell me a song that I never hear. Show me a shoe that I never see. Show me a car that I never know, and then we go see. I need a song that I never hear, a shoe that I never seen, a car that I never drive, and I go tell you my thing. Yo, I need a new phone, like the iPhone 6. Need a new phone. When is the iPhone 7 coming out? Cause I need to go in heaven. Tired of the iPhone 6 like it's Maven. I need a new thing. Yeah, new that. I need a new everything. Cause you know that's the fact. Everything that is new. Yeah, I got to chase that. Everything that is new, I have to chase that. Mommy says stay with the old stuff. Me be like, nah, me want the new stuff. She say what? I be like, new stuff. Everybody know it's the new stuff. Me don't want nothing from 1960. Me want something in 2015. Me want something in 2016. If a Benz have come in 2016, me don't want no Android from 2001. Me want the Android to 2016. Me want the up-to-date thing. Me don't want nothing in the past tense. That's not my thing. I need a new song that never come out. Tell me artists that have a new song. I need a new shoe, a shoe I never seen, any shoe I never wear in my lifetime. I need a new money. Everybody know Young Diamond love new money. I need a new position. Everybody know Young Diamond is the real man. Hey, I love new things, but I love things that new. I got to benefit. Tell me what should I do? I love new things, and I love things that new. Tell me what should I do? What should I do with something that new? Hey, you could stick in your car in the past tense. I want a car in the present tense. If you want a car from 1960, I want a car in 2017. It's nothing to me looking for the future tense while you searching for the past tense. Young Diamond love the new stuff. That's why you searching for the banks. While you looking at 2009, I'm looking at 2020. Enough of them want to talk plenty. Tell them boy them have to come like nothing. I always look at the future tense, them look at the past tense. We don't know what they're saying. I need a new car. Everybody know Young Diamond is the man that sing.